Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia One Plus, and today I'll show you how to remove battery from this device. So just gonna lock the device, and what you wanna do is flip it over and just find any kind of corner where you can put your fingernail to and pull off the cover like this. As you can see, it comes off, and then at the bottom of the device you will have a little gap where you can put your finger and pull off the battery out like so, and basically it's out. Now if you want to put it back in, it only goes one way, so don't worry, you cannot put it any other way. So if I would even try to, won't go in, it only goes where the basically pins are, so like so. And now I can turn back the device. Actually, let me put back the cover, and just gonna power back on the device. So as you can see, everything is working fine, and yeah, that's basically how you would insert or take out and insert the battery. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.